Well, hello everybody. Welcome back once again to JJ's PC Builds. I'm tickled bigger than pig's feet and frog hair to make this video today. So let's go ahead and just jump into the action screen. There we go. And let's pull up some duck duck roll, but anyway, I've already pulled it up, so I'm just going to pull it up really quick for you and let you know what today's video is about. GeForce RTX 4070 Super Game Ready drivers are available now. We got the Game Ready drivers out there. I just installed them about a few minutes ago, so that way just let you know that I installed it. The acclaimed GeForce RTX 40 series just got Super. Introducing our GeForce RTX 4080 Super, 4070 Super, 4070 Ti Super, and, Super. January, beginning GeForce, blah, blah, blah. Y'all know when it came out. It just came out, so. To use this new super-powered GPU in your PC, download Game Ready drivers in the tab, blah, blah, blah. We already did that. You noticed I did the blah, blah, blah because I know you all already know what the deal is when it comes to that. Okay. You know, I already know, you know, we all know. There's no sense of explaining it. Okay. There is no sense of explaining it. So, this is the new games that is supported by GeForce Experience Optimal Settings. You got Apocalypse Party, Ash Echoes, Escape from Tarkov Arena, House Flipper 2. I wonder what one was about. But anyway, Pioneer of Pangonia. Let's see. So So the new number is 546.65. And it's a signed driver and it's ready to go. If you're looking to upgrade your GPU, now is the time. It's not just for the Super Series. It is also for your 4070 and, whatever one you pick, it's updated ready. So, but this is the 546. You know the rest. See, that's pretty cool. We all don't need to see this, do we? Oh, we all don't need to see that. But anyway, I just wanted to take a couple minutes to let you know there is an update out there. Oop. There's that update too. So anyway, just wanted to let y'all know there's an update right now on Nvidia. If you go to your Nvidia site and download the most recent drivers, then you'll be able to tell everybody that you got a cool deal from Nvidia. They got some good new drivers just waiting for you to install and everything else. But I'm just letting you know that really quick so that way y'all don't get missed and y'all don't say, hey, Jay, how come you missed this month? The GeForce driver is the 54665. Now, as far as what I see it really doing right now, it still operates the same as the drivers before, but, I don't see too much of an uplift from it. Let me go back there again, double check to make sure there's no uplift on it. And if there is and I missed it, we're going to go back and we're going to visit it and see what's going on. So I'll tell you what, this is what we're going to do. We're going to visit it again because I'm kind of concerned that y'all didn't get it the first time. Okay, so looking at it, it says Game Ready drivers, gaming best, payload worlds such as featured DLSS 2, adds support to the GeForce RTX 40 Super GPU, fix gaming bugs, Cyberpunk 2077, GeForce Experience one-click optimization not working with version 2.1 game update 4412456. Fix general bugs. Maxwell GPU. After multiple sleep and awake attempts, monitor may not wake up. Number is 4351702. And that's all they really. And this tells you all the products supported. And if you need it, additional information, it's right here. Here's the release notes for it. If you want to go through the release notes, I'm not going to bore you guys to death with the release notes, but I want to see if there's any changes that we need to worry about. Let's see. Is there anything that's willing to change on this? Let's see. Chapter 1, introducing 54665. Let's see. Is there anything that changes? Description. I'm looking to make sure if there's anything else that has changed. Well, we'll make sure that, we let you know. So, software module versions. What's new? Game ready for the 4070 Super. Add support to GeForce. We've seen that. Changes, fix issues. Support for CUDA 12.3. Introducing support for for RTX video super resolution. Adds the latest performance improvement, bugs, fixes, driver enhancements. Okay, so OpenCL limitations, mathematics, discontinued support, NVLFR OpenGL support, release 470. The last driver branch support to functionality, header files, sample documents, blah, blah, blah. Nope. Limitation to release, video color settings, known issues with OpenCL. This is just basically, going through and seeing if there's anything that has changed, basically. That's what we're looking for. If there's anything that has changed, but obviously there's nothing that has changed. So just letting you know, we went through all the documentations and everything else. That kind of looked boring to y'all, but I understand it looked kind of boring to y'all. But the thing is this, when you go through the documentation, make sure you get your drink and snacks, by the way, because it takes a while to get through it. When you go through the documentation, you want to make sure that with your operating system and your graphics card, you want to make sure everything stays at 100%, especially in the games that you use. Now, if they advertise games that you don't use, then I guess you have nothing to worry about. But the games that you have to worry about are the ones that you play for your system. So that's what you need to keep your focus on when it comes to the gaming. Now, when you're trying to get a new game and you think it's on that list, make sure you double check on the forums and see if it's anywhere on the list, and then see what the known issues, if it's been fixed or not. That way your updated drivers for your GPU are going to work just fine. So as far as I see, as far as their listing and everything else, I don't see any future problems going on with, any of the 40 series, and I guess they got some out there for the 30 series, and, and so on and so forth. So, since we got through all that documentation, and y'all fell asleep on me, well, you know what? Don't fall asleep. Because then I have to shake you like this and wake you up. How about that? But anyway, let's go ahead and get out of here. Just wanted to make this quick video for you, let you know that if you haven't updated your Nvidia drivers for your GPU, maybe it's time that you take a look and see what they got cooking. But if you made it to the end of the video, it's much appreciated. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, which I see we got we got quite a few subscribers. Welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds and my veteran subscribers. As always, much love to you for all that you do. Help and support the channel. Telling your friends, or you watching the videos from beginning to end, and telling your friends watch the videos from beginning to end, and subscribe to the channel helps out. And make sure y'all put a like on the video, on all the videos. Put thumbs up on the videos. It would be appreciated. Even though that it seems like this channel is like a little bit boring and this and that, we're trying to get it to where I'm in the groove, you know, kind of things. Trust me, I'm doing a happy dance every day. Now, if I ain't doing a happy dance, there's something wrong. But anyway, if you haven't subscribed to the Discord, let me know. We'll be more than happy to send you a link. Just leave a you know, down in the description below on this video, and let me know if you want to join the Discord channel. I know it's kind of crazy doing it that way, but I'd rather give you the link handed up front to you, so that way you can go to the Discord and you can get on there, you know, directly, so that way you ain't got no problems. You know, I have a little issue with the way Discord's running right now, but we do it this way. You'll be happy, I'll be happy, and everybody will be happy. Okay, let's get out of here. And you know what? Make sure y'all stick around. Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot to tell y'all. See, I done lost my mind again. I lost it. No, I lost it. No, I didn't lose it. It's right there. But anyway, tomorrow is Thursday. I'm going to be busy all day. I'm not going to have time to make any videos for tomorrow. So don't expect a video for tomorrow. It's going to be a crazy day for me. So I will try to get one to you on Friday. Friday will be PC merch nightmares. And y'all be ready for that. And also, too, Saturday, the live stream will be at 11 a.m. So don't be late. And if you're late, I don't know. We ain't going to kick you out. Okay. You're late. We understand. You come in and, you know, join in with the fun. That's fun. But anyway, until the next time in the next video, you know it is. And we'll see you on the next one.